Alright, what I'm showing you is a weed. This weed is huge. It's about maybe 3 feet tall, something. Look at this weed. Look at this incredible weed. Now, when I saw it was laying down or loose, and this other weed over here that's kind of folded, it's this exact same weed. They are huge, and because of all the rain and everything, it came out. So, right there, look how big it, look how tall that is. Right there. That's a weed. They both came out at the same time. I just pulled them out very easily with all the soil getting wet and moist. And I can't turn the camera again. I wish I could, but I'll probably mess it up if I try that. I guess it was on video. You just can't change the camera. But anyway, what I wanted to say was, weeds. Weeds are bad things. So, God is stirring up your lives right now. He's pulling up those weeds. He's trying to move away from everything that has happened, like probably bad in your life or a challenge or a trial. Hopefully you're coming to your to the promised land. Hopefully you're coming to that point where you just say, I'm letting it go. I'm letting God be God, and to shake up my life, to replant plants, and to unroot, to like whatever it's called when you take the roots out, because this is at the root right now. And the root is right there as you see it. So we're just, I'm hoping and believing that the canker, what is it called? The canker worm has stopped, will stop in your life, stop eating up your stuff, stop eating up your finances, stop destroying your relationships, or, messing with your marriages or through your children or whatever it might be. I just hope, and if this is amazing right now because it is the Rosh Hashanah New Year, the Jewish New Year as well. So it could be very significant with all this happening. Not just a coincidence that these weeds have come up out of my ground. And, proclaiming and declaring that the weeds will come out of your ground and out of your life, and that God will replant things. He will grow the things that He wants to grow. He will remove the things that He wants to remove. And I just want to believe that with faith and with His Word, that new harvest is coming in your life. A new harvest is coming in every area of your life. Never give up hope that something cannot turn around in your life. For with God, all things are possible. So, as He's been showing me, there's been a lot of trials going through our lives right now with our family. It's been a crazy busy weekend. And because of something that happened in the school, I don't have to work today. So I got a few other things done. I'll get some more rest. But I did want to share about these weeds today. And to just continue to focus on Jesus, focus up, know that you have a Heavenly Father that loves you, that cares for you, that wants the best for you. But the devil's around, and he has his demons and everything, and he's trying to cause all kinds of havoc in your lives. But you don't want to look at that. You want to just continue to put your hope and your trust in the Lord, and know that He is the God of the earth. He's the God of His people. That there's a season for everything, and this could be the season right now that things could be turning around. It may not look like it, but focus on Jesus. All right, take care.